evening students, welcome back to the class. In last class you have studied about the major oceans in the world. So today we are going to study about islands and peninsula. Students, let's study about islands. Islands are the land surrounded by sea on all sides. For example, Lakshadweep Islands in the west of Indian mainland and Andaman Nicobar Island in the east part of Indian mainland. Next, let's see some major islands in the world. First one Sri Lanka, second Japan, third Philippines which is located in Pacific Ring of Fire, fourth one Madagascar, it is in Indian Ocean, fifth one Maldives located in the Arabian Sea of the Indian Ocean, sixth one Victorian Islands, it is in Canada, seventh one British Isles, a group of islands in the North Atlantic and northwestern coast of continental Europe. Eighth one Greenland, it is the world's largest island located between the Arctic and Atlantic Oceans. Ninth one Iceland, it is located in northern Atlantic. Tenth one Sumatra, which is located in western Indonesia. And last one New Guinea Island. It is the second largest island in the world and it is located in Malaysia. Okay students, hope that you have understood about the islands. Next, let's study about the peninsula. The land masses surrounded by sea on three sides are called peninsula. For example, Indian Peninsula. Three sides of the lands are covered with water, Indian Ocean in the south, Arabian Sea in the west and Bay of Bengal in the east. Okay, next, let's see some major peninsula in the world. First one, Arabian Peninsula. The largest peninsula in the world. It is located in northeast of Africa. Second one, Alaska Peninsula. It is located in southwest of mainland of Alaska. Third one, Labrador Peninsula. It is located in eastern Canada of North America. Fourth one, Scandinavian Peninsula. It is located in northern Europe. And last, Indian Peninsula. It is located in Indian mainland. Okay students, hope that you have understood all about the topic islands and peninsula. Read your textbook thoroughly. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So be happy and safe at your home. See you in the next class. Thank you.